Assalamualaikum students, this is your favorite channel Science Mashup. Here we have lecture number 3, class 9 chemistry, chapter 1 fundamentals of chemistry. Here we will discuss in this lecture about elements. A substance made up of same type of atoms having same atomic number and cannot be decomposed into simple substances by ordinary chemical means is called element. As we have studied that substance is further divided as elements or compounds. Elements are the substance that are simplest one and have same type of atom. For example, if there is hydrogen atom, then the whole atom consists of hydrogen atoms. If there is carbon, then whole the substance is composed of that element. They have same type of atom, same atomic number. As there is hydrogen has atomic number 1, and if there is the substance is made up of hydrogen, then all the elements will be in it will be of hydrogen. They will surely have atomic number 1. उनका atomic number 1 होगा. They are made up of same type of atom. Same is the case of carbon. If the substance is made up of carbon atoms, then all the elements will be only carbon and their atomic number will be the atomic number of carbon, and they cannot be decomposed into simple substances. The elements cannot be further decomposed by ordinary chemical means. They required high techniques to decompose an element. Now we have to discuss the occurrence of the element. Elements occur in both combined and free state. What does it mean? It means that some elements are found as pairs, and for example there is O2 molecule, there is Cl2 molecule. Some elements are found free in state, don't need to bind with other atoms. For example, hydrogen can exist as hydrogen, carbon can exist as carbon, etc. Percentages are different in earth crust, ocean and air. Physical state. What is the physical state of the element is a great question. Elements can be solid, elements can be liquid, or elements can be gas. All the three physical states are there in which elements can be found. Further, we classify elements as metals, non-metals and metalloids. एलिमेंट्स को हम फर्दर मेटल्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं कि क्लासिफाई कर सकते हैं कि कुछ एलिमेंट्स हमारे पास मेटल है, कुछ नॉन मेटल्स हैं और कुछ मेटलॉइड्स हैं. व्हाट इज मेटलॉइड्स? जो मेटल और नॉन मेटल्स के दरमियान की स्टेज है. दे आर मेटल्स इन सम कंडीशन एंड नॉन मेटल इन अदर कंडीशन दैट आर कॉल्ड मेटलॉइड्स. वी शुड नो अबाउट what is valency. It is a specific term used in the case of elements. Valency is the combining capacity of an element with other element to complete its octet. Elements को अपना octet complete करने के लिए किसी दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ कंबाइन करना पड़ता है. Octet means having 8 electrons in outermost shell. Elements के अंदर फर्दर एटम्स हैं that are composed of neutron, proton, electron. So electrons in outermost shell of the atom should be 8 in numbers. That is called octet. Elements को अपना octet पूरा करने के लिए किसी दूसरे एलिमेंट के साथ कंबाइन होना पड़ता है. For example, in HCl molecule, hydrogen and Cl combines. Hydrogen is an element, chlorine is an element. When in hydrochloric acid HCl, hydrogen and chlorine combine. Chlorine has 7 molecules, needs only 1. It means its valency is 1. On the other hand, hydrogen has only 1 molecule, so both combine and make an molecule. That is called the valency. The ability to combine is called valency of that element. In case of ionic compounds क्या है? Valency is gain or loss of electron from outermost shell. What are ionic compounds? Ionic compounds वो compounds हैं जिसमें एक एलिमेंट अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन दूसरे को दे देता है. There is a complete transfer. एक एलिमेंट दूसरे एलिमेंट को अपना इलेक्ट्रॉन दे देता है to complete their octet. For example, in case of NaCl, sodium gives the electron to the Cl. That is an ionic compound and in their valency is gain or loss of electron. Sodium ने electron lose किया and electron of sodium is given to the chlorine atom. Chlorine atom ने वो हमारे electron ले लिया. In this case there is a complete transfer of electron. That is, one element has gained the electron, another lose the electron, and thus complete the outermost shell. On the other hand, in covalent compounds in which there is not a complete transfer and there is sharing of electron by both elements, one electron is shared by one element and one electron is shared by other element, this is called covalent compound. In the covalent compound, valency is number of hydrogen atom that can combine with one atom of that element और number of bonds formed by one atom of that element कि कितने number of bonds वो बना सकता है. For example, आपके पास अगर हाइड्रोजन एटम है तो हाइड्रोजन कितने बॉन्ड हाइड्रोजन एटम के साथ बनाएगा? That is 1, तो its valency is 1. नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम कितने हैं उस पर डिपेंड करता है कोवलेंट कंपाउंड्स की वैलेंसी. Now, the new thing is elements are represented by symbols that are usually the first letter of the name of that element. For example, in case of hydrogen, its symbol is H, oxygen symbol is O, nitrogen symbol is N. They are the first letter of that element. It can be in English, it can be in German, Latin or Greek. A name of the element can be in English, German, Latin or Greek.